This is Neeraj from Meraki Expert. Actually, we are a company which deal into insulated prefab and cold chain industry. So apart from this, as you were talking about ZM, so you guys are also introducing sandwich panel. So the sheet that you'd be using on sandwich panel, are they going to be made up of ZM composition or AZ?
So as I said, ZM is ArcelorMittal patent technology which is there. So it all depends on your specification requirements. So as Amit was saying that, our recommendation, if you ask us, we would say go for ZM with certain coatings and, other parameters which needs to be considered depending upon your application. But then if you ask me AZ specifically or Z, I can give you that solution also. So I'm not saying no to it today. I think it's too early that ZM is being accepted in the market, slowly gaining know-how, and people are accepting it, but it takes time. But if you ask me personally, or as a solution provider, we would prefer going with ZM coil rather than going for AZ or Z.
So what difference it will make for end user? So as you know, the Indian market is mostly price based. So how this will change the dynamics of?
So cost is not a factor out here. I think it's more from the performance perspective which is there.
Okay.
And so ZM, again, as you said, would have little ZM goes with different coatings and depending upon your requirement. The warranties would vary. So typically what I know of currently, the warranty which is typically offered is 1 year,
15 months.
Yeah, so that is what it is max which is being offered. But tomorrow if you ask me, as Peter was telling, if you ask me about thermal performance, mechanical properties, fading problem, corrosions and all those things. So I can offer you all those warranties, and maybe it could be 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, whatever you say, depending upon the selections what we do, we can offer you that.
Okay,
so that's to the customer what we are offering.
It will be mostly performance based.